It's time for our monthly real estate market update. I have new numbers for you, new statistics, and a few expectations for the months ahead. Hi, my name is Kim Dowling. I am the broker here at Coastal Luxury Partners. And every month we like to take a close look at the market to see where we're sitting with real estate and give you an idea of what's happening with your home equity values. And this month we continue to see people moving to the state of Florida. We're working with referrals coming in the door left and right, and we are finally starting to see some really good movement in our inventory. People are really starting to pull the trigger to sell their homes and move up or even downsize. Our agents are working hard, as always, taking care of all of you, our amazing clients. I think our media team is even full force working on 9 new listings coming to market just this week. That's our job. We get to work every day to make sure that you reach your real estate goals. So let's dive into the numbers that were just released. I would love to talk with you and just take a few minutes and walk you through them step by step so that you know what your values look like for your home and your property. This past month, for the first time in a long time, we saw our sales values go down instead of up. We are starting to see a shift in the market and a strong push back from buyers towards overpriced homes. So the aggressive sales pace that we had at the beginning of the year is gone. Inventory is up. The numbers are proving that prices are stabilizing just a little bit and buyers are going to have more choices. So now, for my sellers, we are still in a seller's market with a 21% year-over-year sales price increase. But it's time to be realistic with our home values and match the pace of the market. We're going to see a strong pullback towards our comps and our appraisal values. It's been like the Wild West around here, and the truth is, if your home is drastically overpriced with the market shift that we're seeing, you will sit on the market for sale much longer than expected. Our inventory statistics, they're going up. So we're still staying tight. We're sitting on a 1-month supply of inventory, but our new listings are up 1% month over month and 4% year over year. It's the first time that we're seeing an upward direction. And we expect for inventory to continue to increase at a slow and steady pace. Buyers are starting to finally see the light at the end of the tunnel, and honestly, our sellers are excited. Many of our sellers have wanted to make a move. Maybe you have wanted to make a change, and now we can make that happen with less stress and more options for everyone. So 2 important numbers that dropped with these statistics, and they back up the slowdown that we're experiencing. 2 numbers that dropped: pending sales are down 6% month over month, and listings sold are down 10% month over month. So we're not only down month over month, but we're down year over year. 8% down year over year for pending sales and 4% down for listings sold. So now more than ever, it's important to price your home right and invest in the marketing needed to make sure that you get every dollar out of your home. We want you to sell quickly, and we want you to sell for top dollar, and we have the proven strategies in place to make that happen for you. So here's our expectation as we move through August and into the fall. For our sellers, as you take a look at your home values, sales prices are strong. You are going to win in this market, I promise, but we have to price correctly, and with the comps in the area, we have to match those comps. So we talked about a point in time earlier this year when the inventory started to rise that our prices would start to settle, and that time has arrived. For our buyers, active listings on the market have gone up 10% month over month in July. That is great news for you. Then that number means that your options to choose from has greatly gone up. It is going to be a little less stressful for you to find the home of your dreams. We still need to have patience. Remember, we are sitting on 1 month of inventory in our market, and an even market sits at about 3 months. But there is light ahead, and we will find you a home that you love. July statistics are reporting an average days on market of 19 days. Average sales price is a little bit over $380,000, and our total sales volume in July for our MLS coverage area, which is one of the biggest in the nation, was $6.5 billion of residential listings sold. It's a big number, but it has gone down 11% from the $7.3 billion that was sold in June. So the good news is we're strong, and we are going to stay strong here in Florida. We may be normalizing a little bit and getting away from the crazy hair on fire Wild West market that we've seen, but settling down is a good thing for everyone. Buyers will find the perfect home for their families, and sellers are still going to sell with fantastic equity and make really good money as they move from one home to the next. And as always, we are so proud and grateful to be a part of our community, partnering with you for all of your real estate needs. We have come a long way this summer from last year, and year over year, our numbers are really exciting. To have home values that have increased over 20% in 1 year is a pretty fantastic number. So we're going to get the most for your home in the fastest time, and we are going to make it easy for you to move. And buyers, we are going to make sure that you are prepared to move quickly. We are going to keep your offers competitive, and when you're ready to find that perfect home, give us a call so you can have a partner on your side to guide you through the process step by step. Our team will guide you every step of the way. There's no pressure, there's no rush. We are here when you need us. So just stay connected to us here at Coastal. The market is strong, and of course our entire team at Coastal is a phone call away when we can be of help. Thank you for spending a few minutes with me, and I will see you again soon.